Hi, I work as a Water Policy Officer for the RSPB, and today I'll be setting out how nature-based solutions can deliver on our wider conservation goals as a cost-effective measure that supports local communities. Nature-based solutions are actions that work with and enhance nature to help address societal challenges. It's an umbrella term which encompasses the likes of natural flood management. There is a growing evidence base that there are many benefits to these solutions, including addressing climate and biodiversity dual crises, improving health and well-being, and delivering on environmental net gain through habitat creation. Such schemes have been successful throughout the UK, including large-scale coastal managed realignments such as Medmerry and Wallasey, and smaller-scale inland schemes such as the Honacote and Pickering Slowing the Flow projects. The challenge is to determine where and how to deploy these schemes. Where, we can look at opportunistic mapping and discussions with local partners and communities, and in terms of how, we need sufficient buy-in and funding. We need to ensure we make bold decisions to address these challenges. The government has already committed £5.2 billion to flood and coastal risk management. Of that £5.2 billion, £200 million has been set aside for innovative projects such as MBS and £170 million to accelerate shovel-ready projects, also including potentially likes of MBS. We want sufficient SCRM funds for schemes that work with natural processes, and this should be accessible and easy to calculate via the SCRM calculator. In the short term, we want to see NFM funds ring-fenced, but in the long term, we'd like to see the mainstreaming of these funds as part of a transition process, but when there are sufficient policies and mechanisms in place to deliver. Trials for innovative schemes should also be encouraged and supported through ring-fence funding. Well-designed and delivered schemes have been very successful in the UK. For example, Medmerry managed realignment cost £28 million, with benefits of over £90 million through flood management improvements, reduced maintenance, increase in tourism income. So we know these schemes will work and believe it essential we continue to see these funds for such schemes through management and delivery. With sufficient funding and delivery of effective nature-based solutions, we can achieve a number of goals and support communities across the UK, providing access for those where traditional flood defences, such as levies, are not cost beneficial, bringing in a wider range of partners and funders, contributing to the Environment Agency's net zero target, supporting wider goals set out in the 25-year plan, and bringing communities together and providing jobs as part of a green recovery.